Water tank wire drawing flattening machine. First step, machine installation. Machine, electric cabinet, payoff cage, threading frame column, 1 by 1 in corresponding place. R. Connect the circuit between the equipment and the electric cabinet according to the configuration requirements. Install and fix the operation controller and foot switch. 3. According to wire thickness, adjust the tightness of the flatness bolt to adjust the gap between the two pressure rollers. Second step, E. Guide the galvanized wire from the payoff cage to the threading frame column. Pass the wire end through the wire end eye of the threading frame column, and vertically lead it from the upper pulley to the lower payoff and broken wire tensioner, and then from the payoff wire broken tensioning wheel to the driving wheel of the water tank. R. Use an angle grinder to sharpen the wire head. Straighten the wire, and then pass it into the corresponding size mold. The mold from large to small, and wind the wire through the mold from the bottom to the top of the driving wheel in the water tank to the driven wheel. Then from the driven wheel, the wires that have passed through the mold are alternately wound onto the double row mold box. Note, the mold box has 11 lines, and the molds are placed from bottom to top according to actual needs. If actual mold is less than 11, the extra lines will be vacated according to the difference. After put through the wire from the water tank to wheels to tower wheels and the double row mold box, then lead the wire from water tank eyelet to the straightening wheel. Pass through the flattening wheel to wire column. Wind the wire 1 circle on wire broken tensioning wheel from top to bottom. Then lead to positioning wheel and pass through wire spool and fix it. 4. Wire spool installation. Place them on wire rewinding shaft and fix with screws. Third step, add water in water tank. Method E. Prepare 2 water injection pipes and 1 water injection pump. Connect one end of a water injection pipe to the water inlet of the water pump and put the other end into the pool. One end of the other water injection pipe connects to the water outlet of the pump and the other end connects the water tank. Then start to add water. Stop adding when the water inside over than the 2 tower wheels. E. Insufficient water injection is easy to break the wire. R. The water level should not be higher than the water injection port, or it is easy to overflow. Method R. Add water by a bucket until the water inside is over than the 2 tower wheel. Put 3 到5 pieces of soap in the water for lubricating during wire drawing. Water needs to be replenished in time due to the volatilization of high temperature during the operation of the equipment. After refilling the water again, you need to add a piece of soap to prevent the wire from being broken due to insufficient lubrication during the drawing process. Reasons for wire breakage. E. The quality of the wire rod. R. Insufficient lubrication during the wire drawing process. 3. Insufficient water injection or no timely refilling of water. The wire diameter depends on mold size and quantity. The thicker the wire, the less quantity molds, and larger mold 1.8 到 0.8. Step 4. Operation Controller Introduction. E. Start R. Adjust Speed 3. Lamp 4. Stop 5. Clear 6. Emergency Stop. Step 5. Inspection before start machine. E. Set the speed according to wire diameter. Note the thinner the wire, the slower the speed, and the wire will be break easily due to fast speed. R. Check whether the water level is full over the tower wheel. Note, if the water is not filled enough, it is easy to break the wire. 3. Check whether there is enough soap. Note, if the lubricating degree is not enough, it is easy to break the wire. 4. Check whether the oil cup has oil, normally fill up. Step 6. Related Introduction. E. The function of the cylinder. E. To ensure the normal operation of the take-up speed of the wire take-up wheel. R. To change the speed smoothly. 3. To prevent the transmission from being overloaded. R. Photoelectric induction of wire hangement. It is the back and forth cycloid sensing signal for the wire spool. When the wire is arranged to the photoelectric position, the sensor light will turn on red. Foot switch. The foot switch is used for convenient operation in threading. A switch that controls the on-off of the circuit by stepping on or stepping on it, and is used in the control circuit that cannot be touched by both hands to achieve the purpose of operation. Always lubricate the wire with soap during the threading process to facilitate threading. Put 3 到5 pieces of soap in the water for lubricating during wire drawing. Water needs to be replenished in time due to the volatilization of high temperature during the operation of the equipment. After refilling the water again, you need to add a piece of soap to prevent the wire from being broken due to insufficient lubrication during the drawing process.